Welcome to the Budget Retirement Options News channel. In this video, we will share visa requirements for digital nomads that expats can piggyback on. The rise of remote work has led to a surge in digital nomadism, and many countries have responded by creating specific visas to attract these location-independent professionals. These visas offer a legal framework for long-term stays, often with tax benefits and other perks. Here's a look at some of the latest digital nomad visas, their financial requirements, and tax information that can save you thousands of dollars.
Digital nomad visas are becoming increasingly popular as more people embrace remote work. These visas allow individuals to live in a foreign country while working remotely for a company based elsewhere. They offer a unique opportunity to explore new cultures, enjoy different lifestyles, and experience new environments while maintaining a steady income. Estonia. The visa name is the Digital Nomad Visa. The duration is up to 1 year. For financial requirements, you need to provide proof of a monthly income of at least 3,500 euros, which is approximately $3,800, for the 6 months preceding the application. Other requirements include working for a foreign company, owning a foreign company, or conducting business mainly for clients abroad. Portugal. The visa name is the D7 visa for passive income and the new Digital Nomad visa for employed or self-employed remote workers. The duration is up to 1 year, renewable. For financial requirements, the D7 visa requires proof of passive income, such as pensions, rentals, or investments, of around 700 euros per month, which is approximately $760. The Digital Nomad visa requires proof of an average monthly income of 2,800 euros for the previous 3 months, which is approximately $3,000. Other requirements include providing proof of employment or self-employment as a remote worker for the Digital Nomad visa. Croatia. The visa name is the Digital Nomad Visa. The duration is up to 1 year. For financial requirements, you need to show proof of a monthly income of at least 2,300 euros, which is approximately $2,500. Other requirements include having valid health insurance and proof of accommodation in Croatia. Barbados. Visa name Barbados. Welcome stamp, duration 12 months. Financial requirements. While there isn't a strict minimum income requirement, you need to demonstrate that you can support yourself during your stay. Upon approval, a fee of $2,000 is payable. Other requirements: you must have valid health insurance. Germany. Visa name Freelancer Visa, also known as the Freiberufler Visa. Duration: up to 3 years, renewable. Financial requirements: there is no fixed minimum income, but you must demonstrate that you can financially support yourself in Germany. You'll need to provide a detailed business plan and proof of sufficient funds. Other requirements: you must have German health insurance and prove that your work is of economic interest to Germany. Mexico. Visa name Temporary Resident Visa. Duration: up to 6 months initially. Renewable for up to 4 years. Financial requirements: you can prove financial solvency through bank statements showing an average monthly balance of around $2,700 over the past 12 months. Or proof of employment with a monthly income exceeding $1,600 over the past 6 months. Other requirements: you'll need to provide proof of accommodation and a valid passport. Other countries offering digital nomad visas. This is not an exhaustive list, but here are some of the countries that have options for remote workers seeking long-term stay. Antigua and Barbuda, Aruba, Bermuda, Costa Rica, Czech Republic, Georgia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Malta, Mauritius, Norway, Romania, Seychelles, and Spain. Important considerations: visa requirements and financial thresholds can change, so always check the official government website of the country you're interested in for the most up-to-date information. Understand the tax implications of living and working abroad. You may be liable for taxes in both your home and host countries. For more tax information for U.S. expats and digital nomads, continue watching to the end. Ensure you have adequate international health insurance that covers you in your chosen destination. The application process can vary significantly between countries. Be prepared to provide detailed documentation, including proof of income, employment contracts, health insurance, and accommodation. Digital nomad visas offer exciting opportunities for remote workers to live and work abroad. If you are retired, you too can qualify for a digital nomad visa. You can use your retirement income to help you qualify for the digital nomad visa. The description includes several links to more information on this new trend of retired digital nomads. By carefully researching the requirements and planning accordingly, you can take advantage of these programs and experience a new way of life. Unfortunately, if you're a U.S. citizen or resident alien, the tax rules are largely the same whether you live in the United States or overseas. The U.S. operates on a worldwide income tax system, which means you're required to report and pay taxes on your income from all sources, regardless of where in the world you earned it. Living abroad doesn't exempt you from your tax obligations. You must still file an annual tax return with the IRS and report all sources of taxable income, including wages, business income, and investment income. However, living overseas does come with certain benefits like the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, FEIE, and the Foreign Tax Credit, FTC. These benefits can reduce or even eliminate your U.S. tax liability on foreign income. But, and this is important, you must file a U.S. tax return to claim these benefits. For detailed guidance, check IRS Publication 54, the Tax Guide for U.S. citizens and resident aliens abroad. Reporting foreign financial accounts, FBR. If you have foreign bank accounts, investment accounts, or other financial assets held outside the U.S., you are required to report them, regardless of whether those accounts generated taxable income. This is done by filing a report of foreign bank and financial accounts, FBR. The FBR must be filed electronically through the BSA e-filing system. The standard due date for the FBR aligns with the tax return deadline, April 15th, but there's an automatic extension to October 15th. Failing to file an FBAR can result in significant penalties, so don't overlook this requirement. Let me repeat that. Failing to file an FBAR can result in substantial penalties. It is best to seek help from a professional tax advisor. Once qualified through the IRS, you could eliminate taxation on over $100,000 each year. Again, it's called the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, FEIE.